Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to edit PDF to PSD in Photopea software. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. In this video, now you can see edit PDF to PSD. Now we going to the file one option, then click. Now click from open place option. Now you can see, then we find your PDF format. Now select from PDF. Now click from open option. Now you can see, then we show the PDF format. Then we show, now we can see PDF format from edit page. Now we going to the file one option, then again click. Now click from save as PSD. Now select. Now click from now project name. Click from save option. That it's. Now you can see edit PDF to PSD format in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for